Hello everyone, welcome to week 4 of your course Applied Statistics. And in this video, I'm going to talk about our plan for this week, about our topics for covering for this week, and also about your assignments. Hope you all are doing well during these crazy days, but take care of your health more than before. I wish I could see you in person in our hybrid weekly class, but we have to hold our class in an online modality. No worries, we will see, we will get together in online meetings, and no worries, everything is going to be better than before. And for week 4, actually my plan is covering some topics from last week, because for discrete probability distribution, we need to practice on Excel functions. So that's why at the first of next session, I will work on binomial distribution in Excel and also Poisson distribution in Excel. And then I'm going to start talking about the continuous probability distribution, and the most important distribution would be the normal. We will practice on Excel files, how to calculate the distribution, how to calculate the probabilities, and also we will review other continuous distribution like exponential and uniform distribution, because they can be useful in some few areas in real world, but normal is the most common distribution. And then about your assignments, as you may know, for even weeks, you need to submit group learning engagement. For this week, I asked you to find 2 papers that they used probability distribution in their methodologies. I need to clarify you that when I ask you to find an article or any publication that is related to probability theory and statistics, it's not necessarily that the subject of the article is directly related to statistics. Like my paper that I shared with you, the subject is about location allocation for IoT sensor in a roadsides. So the subject is totally different, because statistics is a methodology, is an application, is a tool, is not a subject for research. We have a few fields of research just for basic research that the statisticians do for developing this knowledge. But you are, as a businessman, businesswoman, and DBA students, are expected to find the application of statistics in business. So you need to find 2 papers, 2 publications, 2 dissertations that they used probability distribution, discrete or continuous, as a distribution for representing the behavior of their parameters, like I did for modeling the behavior of demand. I used the normal distribution for affecting for addressing the uncertainty of demand in my article. You need to find these kind of cases. There are a lot, because people use it for reflecting the uncertainty in their programmings. They use distributions. They use normal, uniform, Poisson, binomial. In different cases, you need to find these applications. And actually, if you determine your topic last week for your 3rd week assignments, you can find different articles related to this final research paper. And that's why you can find a good source of article related for your final research topic, and also it's related for your second learning engagement. So I try to give you some assignment that they are related together, and I don't want to waste your time. I want to find a relationship. I want to coach you to manage your activities, to save your time. Actually, if you know your topic, you can find several articles, 10 articles or publication related to your final research paper. 2 of them can be used for your learning engagement, and 10 of them can be used for writing your bibliography. And that's why there is no new or any difficult things for you. Just you need to manage your work and present your work. and each of you need to find two articles or dissertation or publication for the group learning engagements, and also for second assignments that you have is writing bibliography for your final research paper. If you selected the topic, it's time to write literature review, brief literature review for your research. You need to find the relevant sources. In this case, relevancy can be managed by yourself because relevancy is sometimes referred to the topic. For example, if you're working on supply chain management, you need to find the relevant articles that they use this method on supply chain management. Sometimes the relevancy is referred to the methodology. You need to find the relevant articles that they use the same method. For example, if you're working with OLS or linear regression for prediction, you can find some relevant topics in the field that they use the same method. So you need to manage your bibliography, and you need to classify your sources based on their relevancy, sometimes relevancy based on the topic, sometimes relevancy based on the methodology. You need to handle your resource because you're going to write literature review. And the last part of your assignments for the course would be your weekly quiz. And as like always, we will do it at the last 15 minutes of your class online. Like last week, please study your chapters before attending the class. This week, just we are covering the continuous distribution, so you need to be ready to know about the normal, exponential, and uniform distribution. And if you need to be more clarified, if you have some more questions, please let me know. Send me an email and ask your question. Hope to see you tomorrow. Have a good day. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.